You searched how to fix view only in Google Sheets, and if you own the file, the fix is inside the share settings, not anything on the toolbar. Open the spreadsheet that your team members are stuck in and go up to the large blue share button in the top right corner. Click that button now, and the sharing dialog opens right over the sheet with the people list on top and the general access section lower down. Look at the general access section. It currently says restricted. The line under it usually says only people added can open with this link, and that is exactly why everyone else is in read-only. Click the drop-down next to restricted and change it to anyone with the link. The section expands immediately and a second drop-down appears next to it. That drop-down says viewer right now. This is the point that bites people. Opening the link up to anyone does not grant edit access by itself. The viewer role is still controlling what those people can do. Click that drop-down and the menu shows viewer, commenter, and editor. Choose editor. The icon flips to a pencil, and that is the visual confirmation you just gave edit rights. Now anyone with that link can type, add rows, change formulas, and mess up a sheet if they are careless, so I would not use this on anything confidential. For a normal shared working sheet, this is the fastest fix. Now look at the bottom of the dialog and click the copy link button. It flashes a quick copy confirmation on screen, and that link is already carrying the new editor permission. I always copy it after changing the role, because any link you copied before this will still open as view only. Do not send out the old one. There is also a checkbox that says notify people. I leave it off when I am pasting the link into a group chat myself, so nobody gets 2 emails. After that, click the blue done button in the bottom right, and the dialog closes. Click the share button one more time to verify what you actually changed. The general access row should now say anyone with the link, and the drop-down beside it should say editor. If it still says viewer, open that drop-down and set it to editor again, then click done a second time. Now open an incognito window and paste the copied link into the address bar. Press enter and the sheet comes up with the full edit toolbar across the top. That is the real test, because an incognito window does not use your Google account, so it loads exactly what a teammate would see. Close that window when you have confirmed it. Back in your spreadsheet, open the share dialog once more and look at the same drop-down you just changed. There is a commenter option in that list. I would pick commenter if you only want people to add comments or suggestions, but not touch the data. For a working team sheet, keep it on editor. If you want tighter control than anyone with a link, use the top field that says add people and groups. Type a real email like jordan@example.com, press enter, and a row appears with a drop-down on the right. Set that drop-down to editor for each teammate, and they get an invite email. This is the better setup when the spreadsheet has information you do not want passed around outside the team. If you need to undo any of this later, open the share dialog, click that same drop-down, and set it back to restricted. That instantly cuts off everyone who had the link. Now open a second tab, load the same sheet, and press refresh. The full edit toolbar comes up. That is the exact step a teammate needs to do if they already had the file open before you changed permissions. If this fixed it, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people stuck in view only.